All right, you guys, today we're gonna be making mussels as a snack. Today we went to Walmart and got the frozen mussels. Focus. They look like this. It comes in a pouch like this. And what you wanna do, you're gonna submerge this pouch into boiling hot water and let it, do what it do for 7 minutes. And then we're gonna proceed to take it out, and then we're gonna saute it with butter and garlic. So we're gonna have some garlic butter mussels. It's gonna be so delicious. So right now, what we're doing is we're waiting on the water to boil. As you can see, I just put my pot on the stove. So we'll be back once the water is boiling. Right, so forgot to put this on camera, but once it starts boiling, you want to immerse the bag into the boiling hot water. As you can see, my pot is not that big. I should have used the bigger pot, but that's okay. We're still gonna cook them. So while this is boiling for about 7 minutes, I put mine on for 8 minutes. It's gonna take a minute. And then once it's done boiling, don't try to grab the bag right on out unless you got some tongs or whatever. Let it cool off a little bit, and then we're gonna saute it with some butter and some garlic and maybe a little red pepper to give it a little kick to it. But we'll be back once I saute it. And also, guys, remember, this is a snack. So we're not gonna cook a whole bunch of it because for dinner we're having the bacon, brown sugar bacon wrapped chicken, amongst other things. So we got an eventful recording today. So if you see 3 videos with the same outfit, just know this is all the meals for the day. When you're working out, you gotta have at least 7 meals plus snacks. Mussels are not that fattening. Great snack. Yeah. because they're done. They're done. Now what we are finna do, we're gonna make a sauce. Saute. Look at these. Can you see it? We got unsalted butter. So what I'm gonna do, lime, use a cutting board, y'all. Don't really like me. Now, if you get the frozen bag, it comes with 2 pounds.